Hello friends, good evening to all of you. Myself is Arun Kumar Singh. Like other video, today I also come with the wonderful video. It is really most attractive, not only attractive but also most informative. One can take loads of information to the point of education and to lead a happy and prosperous life. This video is really technically very strong, and it is really most essential for today's life. Today I want to discuss over the effect of truth and non-violence. These two words are very popular. We all are almost familiar about the truth and non-violence. But if we want to know more and more, definitely we come to know its effect in our practical life. We also know it very well. Truth and non-violence was the single weapons of father of nation Mahatma Gandhi, and on the basis of the truth and non-violence, he become able to get independence of India from British government. So both the things are very powerful, wonderful, and also practicable. First, we should know about the truth. Truth is related to our heart. It shows the transparency, not only the word but also the deeds. What we say, what we think, and what we do, not only for ourselves but also for others, should be transparent. There must not be any hidden things behind these three things. These three things means what we think, what we say, and what we do. These all should be similar and should also be transparent. It creates the deep self-confidence. It gives us energy. It makes us fearless. We always move boldly. We do not need to remember anything, because if we do everything truly, if we think truly and speak truly, then definitely it creates the very positive result around us. We should be truth to everyone, even I think to all creation of God, not only the human being but also for other being, living being. So truth is really one of the most powerful, one of the most wonderful act. Our personality also depends on our truthness. The features of humanity, due to which we call the human, due to which we remain healthy, due to which we always feel happy, that is truth. If we take the other words, non-violence, it means not using any physical weapons while we fight with others. If we say something, either good or bad, it also works as a weapons. So non-violence means we think, we do, or we fight with others by not using any physical weapons. It means we do not harm physically, but on basis of the non-violence, we harm a lot for a long time of others. Non-violence and truth both are related to each other. If we are having truth and non-violence, definitely we become very strong mentally, physically, internally, externally, and we also can be able to get rid of all the different kinds of problems. In other words, we can say that we, the human being, running behind the outward appearances, we are not satisfied with what we have. We want to have more and more. That's why we do not use truth and non-violence in our every activities, and that is why we also fall ill into the different kinds of the diseases. Nowadays, we all are having the common problem, that is tension, diabetes, stress, enmity, losing the relation. We are not having confidence on ourselves. We always live in fear. Even we pass the sleepless night. All these things are happening because of lack of truth and non-violence. If we are having these two properties, definitely all these human features, what we are losing very rapidly, begin to grow in our life. If we see in our society or the people living in society, nearly 80 to 90% person are having one or different kinds of cases. So they have to flatters, to officers, posting either in police station or in court, magistrate, judge, advocate. These are the people, they mostly exploit us. They do not want the settlement of our problem. They want to take more and more. They want to have more and more from us, and it happened due to the lack of these two features, truth and non-violence. If we follow the way of truth and non-violence, definitely we minimize our cases, we minimize our different kinds of difficulties and problems, and we also live the contented life. We begin to grow the love towards the God, love towards ourselves, also love towards the other living being, which are really most necessary nowadays. People generally believe that if we use the physical weapons with others, definitely people fear from us and we maybe win. This is nothing but childish thinking, because if we harm others physically by using the physical weapons, definitely the enmity grow between us and other people very rapidly, and it never ends. Definitely the others also leave in chance to harm us accordingly. So we can think that British were very capable. They were in might. They are having all kinds of weapons. And so they ruled over India for more than 200 years. And they established their empire very strongly among us. People living in that time always think that British are our rulers and we must not raise our words, or we must not stand against the British. This was the thinking of almost all the Indians. But a few Indians, our few patriots, think that independence is our right, and they begin to raise their words, and also they began to stand against the British, and Mahatma Gandhi was one among them. They never used the physical weapons. His weapons were truth and non-violence, and on base of the truth non-violence, they become succeed to getting the independence of India. This was really seeming impossible task, but they made possible, which was really seeming impossible on the base of truth and non-violence. Nowadays also we are facing a lots of the difficult problem which are really looking very impossible, but we are not having the patience, we are not having the features like the truth and non-violence. That's why we are oftenly defeated. And lose our courage, energy and heart also, and most among us come in depression. So nowadays it is the most essential to follow the way of truth and non-violence. It not only permit us to live the happy and peaceful life, but also grows our relation, and enable us to spend peaceful life, which are really more important than money or physical assets. I think more and more idea can be taken from this video. What we should do and what we should live can be clearly distinguished by this video. I advise all the people who are watching this video to follow the truth and non-violence. It is the most powerful weapons in our life. It become most important today's also. So it is the very simple things. There is no need to go anywhere to purchase these two kinds of the features, the two kinds of the weapons. It is our thinking, it is our way of doing anything, it is our lifestyle which creates the features like truth and non-violence, and it totally depends on you. So if we want to live the happy and prosperous life along with the disease free life, truth and non-violence is most essential. I think definitely we all are begin to follow these two things, try our best to develop these two features in our life right from today, and definitely within a week we can see the result. If you like this video, subscribe it by pressing the bell button, and also send me the comment what we feel by watching this video. Thank you.